30 birthday messages and wishes for husband to make him feel special. Birthday messages and wishes for husband. Find here the list of some birthday wishes and messages for your husband to express your love on the occasion of his birthday. It will make him feel more special if you share your romantic feeling in the form of a message or text. Birthday messages for husband. 1. For my husband, happy birthday. You never ceased to amaze me. I'm so glad you were born, and that you want to share this adventure called life together with me. 2. Happy birthday, husband. Every day of my life feels like a dream because you are in it. You make my life seem sweet and shiny even on the gloomiest days. I love you. 3. Happy birthday, I'm so lucky to have a husband like you. Each day is a gift, and I love that we share them together. Have the best birthday and know that I love you more than ever. 4. A lifetime feels short when it comes to loving you, so instead, I want to spend my forever with you. Thank you for the countless smiles you have gifted me with. Happy birthday, dear husband. 5. Happy birthday, king of my heart. I love you to the moon and back. Wish you many happy returns of the day. 6. Happy birthday, my husband, my friend, my someone, my all. You mean the world to me. 7. Dear hubby, you have shown me the power of true love and compassion. I am grateful to be loved so dearly by you. Happy birthday, my precious. 8. Happy birthday to my husband, you're basically the best thing ever. It's true. I can't imagine my life without you in it. Now, let's get this party started. Also read. Happy birthday messages for husband. 9. Happy birthday to my husband. While the wind may blow, you ground me and fill me with joy. I'm so fortunate to have you as my husband. 10. The biggest blessing for a woman is a man who is loyal and responsible. You are the perfect epitome of a great husband. Happy birthday to my other half. 11. Happy birthday to my husband. You really are too good to be true. My life wouldn't be the same without you. So here's to you. To your brilliance, your kindness, your strength, and your everlasting charm, I love you so much. Happiest of birthdays, my love. 12. Happy birthday to my sweet and loving husband. Every day is a party with you. You always keep me laughing. I love you so much today and every day. 13. There's no husband in the world more perfect and more romantic than mine. Wishing my husband a great birthday. You are my one and only hero. 14. Happy birthday to my wonderful husband. Wishing you a delightful year. 15. Happy birthday to the love of my life. Honey, you are like a magician because you always know the right tricks to cheer me up and help me out. Sweet happy birthday messages for husband. 16. To my wonderful husband, happy birthday. You deserve the best of everything, and hope you'll have it, too, beginning with a birthday that is just as wonderful as you. 17. Happy birthday to the love of my life. I'm grateful for this day because you were born to complete me. 18. Happy birthday to the most romantic husband and caring father to my children. May God's blessings be on you forever. 19. To the wonderful man I love, happy birthday. I never knew what soulmate meant until I met you. 20. Happy birthday, you are my companion, comforter, and friend. I am so blessed to have and to hold you as my husband forever. 21. Happy birthday, honey. Years will pass, but I will still be struck by your handsomeness. 22. With you, every day is a blessing. Wishing you a romantic happy birthday. 23. Happy birthday. Each year that passes is another opportunity for me to let you know what an amazing husband you are. 24. Happy birthday. There's a whole lot of love, and a great big kiss too, in this birthday greeting, dear hubby, that's coming to you. 25. You've always been the man of my dream. I'm thankful to God for having you. Happy birthday, dear husband. Best birthday messages for husband. 26. Happy birthday. To my amazing husband, who never ceases to amaze me. Thank you for who you are, and all that you do. I love you. 27. Happy birthday. You are wonderful and amazing. Thank you for making me happy. I love you. 28. I don't need a reason to love you. For me, you are the man with a golden heart. Happy birthday to my handsome husband. 29. Many good wishes to the person who always made all my wishes come true. A husband like you is always a gift from God. Happy birthday. 30. Thank you for giving meaning to my life and a reason to fight for it. You are and always will be my Prince Charming. Happy birthday.